How are you guys? Today we want us to highlight the subject that are needed for you to qualify for GCSE. So these are the subject here. So here you need engineering drawing entry. Or before we continue, let's say you are doing mechanical. Maybe let's say you are doing electrical. Remember, when you're doing electrical, maybe you started from N1 up until to N6, where you're going to only be doing your electro, your industrial, your maths, and also maybe you have done power machine. Okay, this is from N up to N6. No, up until N6. So then now you are having N6 as an electrical. So now you need to add the subject. So that means now you need to go back and do your drawing N3. You need to go back and do this science. You will have already done it N4. And then even maths, you have already done it in N4. And then that means that this side you only have to do N3 drawing. And then you go to N5. N5, you need strength of material. Remember, we're talking about those who are doing electricity. No? So in N5, they need strength of material, electrical subject. And then when they move to N6, when they go to N6 now, they only, so I'm not highlighting, electro and this other one, because if you are an electrical, or obviously in N5 you have done it, electrotechniques and industrial. So now when you're looking into N6 you have electro, you have industrial, and then you also need your supervisor management, and then your power machine, and then you need mechanotechnics and control system. So here is the trick here. So if they said they only need N6 supervisor management, that means they also need the build-up subject up to N6. That means you must also have N4 supervisor, you must have N5 supervisor, and the last one is going to be N6. And then when looking to electro, you have done electro from N4, N5, N6. If you're an electrical person, also this one you have done it. And then power machine is going to be N5, N6. And then mechanotechnics, it's starting from N4. That means you must start from N4. So for power machine is only starting N5. Power machine is N5 and N6 only. But for electro, it's for mechanotechnics is N4, N5, N6. Same as supervisor management. And then control system is only N6. So these are the subjects that you need from if you wanted to do GCSE and you are an electrical person. You can see that you only need N5 strength of material only, and then you don't need N6 strength of material if you are an electrical person. And then the maths, you only need maths from N4, and then there's no maths from N6. And then you also need your engineering science. So those are. So these is the subjects that you need if you are an electrical person. So let's say maybe you are doing mechanic. So if you are a mechanic, that means N6 and N3 drawing you have done it. Maths science you also have done it, and then maths you also have done it. Now you need what? Industrial electronics N4, right? And then you go to N5, you need fluid mechanics N5, you need electrotechnics N5, right? And then you move to N6. In N6, if you're in mechanical, that means you need this control system. You're also going to do your mechanotechnics, your power machine, your strength of material, your fluid, and then your supervisor. So if it's N6 everything here, you can see that the same applies. That means supervisor, it must start from N4. And remember, it should be a minimum of a 50% pass. So fluid mechanics also, you need it from N5. That's why you have fluid here, you have fluid here. And then you need strength of material starting from N5, N5 and N6, and this one. And then the only people that they don't need the strength of material N6 are those who are doing electrical, right? So this is what you need to be able to qualify for to write your GCSE. So this side is your conventional course. So if now you are you are a mechanic, you need to change it to electricity. So if you are a mechanical engineering and you want to change to an electricity, that means now you need to go and do electrotechnics N6. This one is for the one. So if you're a mechanic and you wanted to do electricity, that means you must do your electrotechnics, and then you must also do your industrial. So this one, it will allow you to convert from mechanic to electricity. But if you are an electrical person, you need to convert it to mechanic. You need also these two. These are just conventional courses, right? So that means after you have done everything this side, and then you just want to jump ship now, if you are specialized with mechanic and you just want to add electricity, so you just add electro and industrial. But to remember this one, you need what? You need it from N4, because those all they are starting from N4. Because you can see here that say on this statement, the subjects shown are only the highest level to be obtained. So all the grade leading to the level must be obtained with 50% pass. So for example, if you're having electro N6, you must have N3, N4, N5 to have what? To have N6. So all those ones that are listed here, they are highest level. So you need to have those those level before N6, and must be passed also. Yeah, I hope everything is clear. Thank you.